Hey there, it's Kathryn Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. And today I've made the most delicious salad for you. It's part of my Vibrant Veggie series. It's cauliflower, lemon, roasted, and green beans and red onions, all roasted together. It's super duper simple. I'll show you how I pulled it together. All I did was I mixed some olive oil, salt, with cauliflower and red onions, okay? That goes in the oven for 20 minutes on 350 degrees. I put it all in this bowl with some, after it roasted, I put it in the bowl with some green beans. Green beans are so good for you. They really heal your blood sugar. Now we're gonna pull it out and put it beautifully on this plate. Let me show you how all this comes together. And your guests are just going to love this dish. Oh my goodness, I think I got too much. So we're gonna pop it over. Look at this beautiful vegetable recipe. And then of course, we garnish it. This is parsley. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Delish, fast, easy, and fun. If you want more vegetable recipes like this, you really want to build your immunity and learn to heal your body, click on over to my website, grab this series, and I give you so many more tips, hints, and tricks to really feel healthy and well. I'm Kathryn Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'm here to help you rebalance your hormones, renew your energy, and more importantly, love yourself, love your life. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.